Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Bricks and Blocks. Building a home, no matter what size, is increasingly more expensive, not just because of real estate prices, but also due to the cost of building materials. Where there is a will, there is a way. Likewise, there are some ways where you can reduce the construction cost and you can make it economical within your budget. Here are our top 17 tips to save the cost while constructing your dream home. Before we start our video, please do like and share and subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. So now let us get into the topic. Point number 1, choosing a plot. First step of building your dream home is choosing a plot. Always choose a roadside plot where transportation facility and communication to every necessary center is possible because that can reduce your transportation cost for lifetime. If you are getting it little far from the main road, then it is okay. Point number 2, soil test. There are variety of soils available and each soil behaves differently. If the soil is not good or if it is a loose soil, then there you will have to expense a huge cost. And if it is a black cotton soil, then the foundation cost is huge. Point number 3, electric and water connection. If there is no electric and water connection near your plot, then you have to apply for a separate pole connection near your home and you have to take a separate plumbing pipe to your home, which is again expensive. Point number 4, construction materials. In building construction, most of the cost goes for construction materials. Among all the construction materials, bricks, cement, steel, sand makes a large part of construction material. If this can be bought in a calculated manner, then there will be less expenditure regarding construction material. Point number 5, make the structural drawings of your building. Structural drawing is all about foundation plan details, framing plan details, column beam plan details and other structural components of building. From these structural drawings, how much amount of steel, sand, cement and bricks will be required can be calculated in advance. And if this is done in a proper way, then there is a huge chance of saving a lot of cost in material. Point number 6, finishing material. In finishing material, putty, flooring materials, doors and windows and especially wooden works for interior designs absorbs a huge cost. But this can be reduced if you are choosing proper material and buying materials in a bulk amount at a time. If you are purchasing these material in phase by phase manner, the shopkeeper may not give you the discount. But if you are purchasing in a bulk amount and from one shopkeeper, then you may save your money. Point number 7, don't make frequent change in plan. Many times people choose one plan before construction and during construction they suddenly change their plan. It is one of the main reasons which again increases the construction cost. Try to avoid these things unless until it is necessary. Point number 8, go for prefabrication. To reduce cost of your construction, use modern technology. In this technology, part of building is constructed at a factory or in a separate place and then combined at a site to make the house. It has a lot of benefits. It not only reduces the cost but also reduces the time of construction. In my coming video, I will explain you more about prefabrication. Point number 9, use fly ash bricks. If you want to reduce the cost, then choose fly ash bricks instead of red bricks or other bricks. Fly ash bricks are less costlier than red bricks but has a good strength for construction. It can reduce the cost of construction in a considerable amount. Point number 10, color and putty. If you want to cut the cost, then go for lime based color. Put the color twice to make the color more brighter. Don't use putty. Putty is used when you need a smooth wall or the wall is very rough or there is a large sand particle showing. To avoid extra cost of putty, always purchase the standard size of sand for the purpose of plastering. If it is used according to the standard size, you may not require to apply putty in your house and it will save your cost. Point number 11, local material. While purchasing materials for construction, try to purchase from local vendors because it will reduce your transportation cost as the transportation cost of construction material is costly. Point number 12, labor cost. Labor cost is also a large part of construction which cannot cut easily. But try to calculate the work in hours, that how much labor will be required to finish a work and how much time. In this way, you can save your cost by estimating the labor cost. Otherwise, the labor will work according to their time and you have to expense more. Point number 13, machinery cost. Construction machines are always bought in a rental and their rental cost is too high. So try to make efficient use of construction machineries in a calculated way by which construction cost can be saved. Point number 14, flooring. Flooring can be done both costly or economically. Tiles comes in a wide price ranging. You can choose one of them according to your budget. Also, cement flooring is a great option for reducing cost and one of the long last flooring also. Point number 15, wooden work. If wooden work is not necessary, try to avoid it. If you can also try to avoid use of costly woods for construction, instead you can use jackfruit tree or wild jack or similar wood most available in your place to reduce the total cost of wood up to 50%. Point number 16, shape of house. Shape of house also decides the cost of construction. When the size of the house increases, it increases the surface area and ultimately the cost of construction also. Point number 17, reducing walls. Make the home more spacious by reducing number of walls. It ultimately reduces the surface area and also decreases the cost. It also allows more natural light to enter into the house and decreases the amount of electricity expenses. So this is for today. If you like my video and if you like my explanation, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.